Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to recover deleted drafts video on TikTok. So you can just open the TikTok app. So here you can just go to the right bottom of profile icon. So here you can just go to the top right corner of three horizontal lines of settings circle, and here you can just scroll down and find report a problem. So once it's load, so here you can find to recover deleted drafts. So you can just report a problem and you can just type drafts. So here missing draft, so you can just open it. So here you can click to your problem resolved, so you can just know, so you can just need more help, and here you can hi what you need help. So here you can describe your issue. So my drafts post has been deleted, can it recover? So I will just write my issue. So here you can see, so its drafts are stored on your device only. That means drafts will be deleted anytime you remove or reinstall TikTok app or switch your device. Lost drafts cannot be recovered. Please also note, so it cannot be recovered. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.